Hi, I'm Wanda from Alanda Craft, and our ScanNCut DX has just arrived, so we're going to do an unboxing and show you what's included. So I've taken everything out of the box. Now this is simply to show you what was in the box. We'll be going into more detail in the features of the machine itself in another video, and we'll be putting that up virtually straight away after this one. But for now it's just to run through what came in the box. So of course the machine. Then we have the power cord, so obviously necessary. We have a spare blade. Now that's a blade specifically for this DX machine. We have some applique paper. And then we have a quick reference guide. Now this machine doesn't come with a manual, so you have to actually go and see the manual or download it from the address that's here on the quick reference guide. There's also a let's get started, but it's not comprehensive. As I say, you'll need to get the manual from the website. This is simply a product safety guide, and that's all there is in there. Then you've got the accessories that are included in the box, and just a congratulations on buying this machine. So that's all your documentation there. Okay, so we'll come across here now and you can see we have the mats. Now that's just how to put your fabric sheet onto your mat. These are your fabric sheets. Now we got two of these and they're green. And as I say, you've got the instruction paper there to tell you how to put them onto the mat. There's a piece of cardstock. Now this is a standard mat, and this is exclusively for use in this machine. You can't use your old ScanNCut mats in this machine. So it comes with a standard mat, and it also comes with a low-tack mat. Just put those aside for now. Now we have some extra storage in here, so here's two storage bays. And to open this one, you can see we've got the pouch, which is a pouch that we get with all of our machines. And in here we have our spatula, our stylus, and we've got two of these blade holders. Now the dark one is your auto blade holder, so that's your standard blade. And this one, the one with the beige on the top, that's your fabric cutter. So that's your fabric blade. Come over here, and in here we've got our pen holder. It's a standard looking pen holder. And we've also got the pens that you normally get with your machine. So your standard 6 colours plus your fabric pens. So that's the first of our videos on the DX. Now we have some other videos, and if you'd like to see those, simply click on the links in the description below. Now don't forget to, if you've liked this video, to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Pinterest, and also at our website.